Hi guys, welcome to Bite Size Excel. This video is going to give an introduction to conditional formatting in Excel. Now, conditional formatting is a really useful tool that helps you visualize your data better, or can highlight specific issues, or you can do things like use it to create Gantt charts that automatically update when you change your dates, which we'll look at in a future video. But as I've said, this video is just going to give a brief introduction. So if we click on our Home tab, we'll see this conditional formatting option over in the Style section. So if we click on the drop-down arrow, you'll see a number of different options. So there are options to highlight your cells if values are greater than, less than, between, equal to, or if they contain particular values. There's ones where you can highlight, say, your top 10 items or a top percentage. There are data bars, color scales, or icon sets. Now in this video, we're just going to look at a couple of these options and we'll delve into the others in more detail in a later video. So say on this spreadsheet, I want to take a look at my monthly sales data for my first shop here. And I want it to be formatted in a way that the highest values are showing as green and the lowest values are showing as red. So this is a color scale. So if we click on color scales here, you'll see a range of options where you can select different colors. Now in this instance, I want my highest values to be in a darker green color and my lowest ones to be in red. So in this option, green is our top values and red is our bottom values. So if we click on this, that is now conditional formatted. We also might want to display it with data bars. So if we click on conditional formatting, data bars, this will basically give a fuller data bar the higher the number is. So if we click on there, you can see that our highest value has the fullest data bar. My third most used conditional formatting options is looking at where a cell value is greater than or less than a particular value. So if we click the drop down here, highlight cell rules, and say in this example, I want to look at those that are greater than 100,000, we hit greater than, and then we can put in our 100,000. And say we want that to be green. You'll see that it's just highlighted the cells with those values. Looking at these rules, so say we want to highlight those that are less than 90,000 in red, we can select this option, or you can come down and click Custom Format and pick whatever font, border, or fill style that you want. So we can also, instead of having a specific number in here, we can point this to a cell. So if we take out this value here and point it to a particular cell, so we want cells that are less than G1. At the moment, G1 has no value in it, so obviously nothing's less than that. But if we were to type in our 90,000 here, the cells that are below that will now highlight. If you want to adjust any rules that you have already got in your spreadsheet, you can click on this Manage Rules button and it will show you, if you click on this worksheet, it will show you all the rules you currently have in, what cells they apply to, what the rule is that you're trying to follow, and you can edit these as you choose. For more complicated spreadsheets, you can actually use formulas to determine how your cells get formatted. If you're interested in learning a little bit more about this, do let me know in a comment and I'll create a video. You can adjust your format by clicking on the little format button here and it comes up with the option that we had earlier on. There are a whole range of conditional formatting options and I'm going to start delving into some of these in more detail, particularly as we start to build up spreadsheet tools. I do hope that you found this introduction useful. Please do like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I do look forward to seeing you in a future video.